Hi guys, welcome to our channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. So in this video I am going to tell you using a little, a few. Guys, have you ever confused with a little, a few? So if you are confused about it, so let me tell you how to understand this. So this video will help you to understand using a little, a few so effectively. Guys, are you watching my videos for the first time? If you are watching my videos for the first time, so please subscribe to our channel so that you will get notifications whenever I upload a video. Thank you guys. Let's start our lesson today. So using a little, a few. So what's the difference? Have you confused in using these two? Let's look at the difference. A little money, a few questions. A little money, a few questions. Look at the difference, you guys. A little money, a little food, little time, a little water, a little milk. Right. A little we use for uncountable nouns. What are these? Uncountable nouns. Right. Uncountable nouns means, what does it mean? Uncountable nouns means you can't count them. For example, you can't count them. So 1 water, 2 waters, 3 waters, 4 waters, etc. Okay. If you are a few, we use it for a countable nouns. Try to understand it, you guys, carefully. Countable nouns. Countable nouns means you can count them. For example, questions. Have you finished all the questions? Not yet, sir. I'm still writing the last question. I'm writing 2 questions, 3 questions, etc. Right? Books. So I have 5 books on democracy. Days. I have 30 days to go. Lessons. 5 lessons we have to teach. Right? Hours. We have 5 hours to go. Right? So these you can count them. Right? So little is used for uncountable nouns. A few we use it for a countable nouns. So you try to understand the difference. So let's look at a little. So we have a little expression. See this one, little also without a. So before we come to this part, let me explain you this. A little money, a little money, a little food, a little time. What does it mean? A little money means I have a little money means I have some money, not much. Right? How much do you have? Do you have enough money? I have little money. I have little money. Guys, a little money means not some money, not much. Okay. Do you have enough money? No, I don't have. I have little money. So I'll have little money means I have few, okay, few hundreds, okay, some money, right? So here not enough money. Food. Do you have food in the fridge? There is a little food. There is a little food means there is some food, but that is not sufficient to anyone. Little time. How much time do you have? I have little time. I have little time means a very little time. That means a few minutes you have. You don't have much time to talk to that boy. Okay. A little water. Is there water in the can? There is a little water. That means some water, but that is not enough water. Right. Milk. A little milk. A little milk means some milk. Some milk. Let's look at using few. So few also means few also means some, but not many. Right? Right. So have you finished writing your examination? Sir, there are few questions. There are few questions means maybe out of 10 questions, 1 or 2 questions are there. A few questions, a few books, few books. Did you bring all the books? A few books I have brought. Okay, I have brought few books. That means some books, not many books. A few days. A few days means I have a few days time. That means not many days. Not many days. Few days I have. A few lessons. Few lessons. That means you have out of 20 lessons, for example, so you finished all 17 lessons. So there are only 3 lessons left. Then you can say few lessons left. A few lessons left. A few hours. Okay. Little money means nearly no. Nearly no. So nearly nothing. Okay. Little money means I have no money. Almost no money. Okay. I have little money in the bank. That means you may have a few rupees, few hundreds in your bank, but that's not enough money. That's not some, even at least some. Okay. Nearly no, nearly nothing. So then we say, okay. So next, little time. Little time means almost there is no time. Little sand. That means almost there is no sand. Little traffic. So here also almost nothing. So little traffic means you are on the way. You say there is a little traffic means there is a little traffic means there you can't find any vehicle over there. Maybe you find 2-3 vehicles on the way. Right? So little traffic. In the same way, few minutes. Few minutes. Few minutes, I have few minutes to start my lesson. That means almost no time. So I have to start now. Right? Few buses. Few buses means nearly no buses. Okay. There are few buses in the Hyderabad roads. Right? Few buses. Few banks. So few banks are working on Sundays. Okay, so that means almost no banks are working. Maybe one bank or 2 banks in the entire city are working. So few people. There are few people in the theater. There are few people in the theater means almost there are no people in the theater. Guys, that is the difference using a little, a few, little, few. Guys, we have learned using a little, a few in this video. And if you like my video, please like it, share it and comment and subscribe.